Hi, my name is Shamil Leonard, and I'll be doing a PowerPoint over Chapter 7, Groups and Teams. There are three types of groups and teams. You have work groups, teams, and informal groups. Work groups are formal and established by the organization. Inside of work groups, there are two different other groups. You have a command group and an affinity group. Okay, the next type of group is a team. There are a couple of types of teams. You have a functional team, a group of people from across the same department. Functional team is a group of people who come from different departments. Then you have a problem-solving team. They're supposed to solve problems. And last, you have the informal groups. They're formed by members that usually consist of friendships that can be permanent, and they can be interest groups as well. Performance factors. There are 5 different factors. They are group composition, group size, group norms, group cohesiveness, and informal leadership. Stages of group and team development. During the mutual acceptance stage, members get to know each other and text each other's opinions. They discuss subjects and have little to do with the group discussions, and people may be more sensitive in this stage. Mutual acceptance, you're making acquaintances, you are sharing information, you're discussing unrelated tasks, testing one another, and quibbling. Communicating and decision making. During this stage, members have begun to accept each other. They discuss their feelings and opinions, which can increase conflict, and members start to develop norms of behavior and establishing goals. Motivation and productivity. During the motivation and productivity stage, there's more cooperation, there's more creativity. Members are performing their assigned tasks with each other and accomplishing. Control and organization. The control and organization stage, the group is now working towards accomplishing goals. The members are more flexible. We're starting to evaluate activities and take corrective actions. And once tests are completed, new tasks may start over. The implementation process. There are 5 phases. Phase 1, startup. Phase 2, reality and unrest. Phase 3, leader-centered teams. Phase 4, tightly formed teams. And phase 5, self-managing teams. Phase 1, startup. Members are selected to work in groups with the best possible chance of success. There's little training. Information awareness training passes from the top to the bottom. The training includes technical skills that will be needed to perform administrative skills for the function, interpersonal skills to work with other members in the group. Phase 2, reality and unrest. A few months, members of the team and some management may bring up some issues with frustration and confusion. There may be unfamiliar tasks, more responsibility, worries about the job, security. Some managers may stay away from the team completely. This is something they don't need to do. They need to stay visible to encourage the team. Phase 3, leader-centered team. During this phase, members are learning self-direction. They start to see themselves as a unit. Managers get a feeling of positivity from the possibilities of the organization in the teams. There starts to be a focus on one leader in the team, and also team appointed leaders can be a problem if they are not trained correctly. Phase 4, tightly formed teams. During this phase, teams are extremely confident in their ability to do things. They are solving problems, managing their schedules, and resolving internal conflicts. The downside is the communication can diminish. Managers need to make sure that teams do things that will keep them prospering, as far as keeping communication channels open. Phase 5, self-management. This phase comes after months of years of planning, implementing these teams, meeting their performance goals. Members are taking responsibility for leadership. Managers are withdrawing and providing counseling for teams. Teams are more flexible and they are making changes to stay on track. Training and support systems need to be constantly improved to help with the team development and productivity. Managing teams, understanding benefits and costs of things, enhancing performance. This can come in the form of customer service quality, improved productivity. Working in teams can result in more output for each unit of employment. Teamwork competencies, conflict resolution abilities, collaborative problem solving abilities, communication abilities, goal setting and self management abilities, and planning and task coordination abilities. Virtual teams. These teams can be difficult because members are separated by time and space, can make it harder to work together effectively. Diversity and multicultural teams. It can help hinder team effectiveness. It can be a source of creativity and create a competitive advantage, and it can also create misunderstandings and conflicts that can lead to poor quality and loss of competitiveness. And this is my works cited. Thank you.